Well, I drilled my exhausts. As you can see, 8 holes in each one. I wish I'd gotten them a bit more perfect. Now, a lot of people were on about taking out the baffles in these pipes, and yet I've heard a lot of people comment about the droning noise and too loud and just doesn't sound right. And I don't want to take these exhausted bits and cut out the baffles because it's a brand new bike, and as you can see, I think the pipes are quite nice on this bike and they suit it. So I thought, you know what, drilling these end bits, the end caps, is easy, because if it doesn't work I can easily get a couple of bits of metal these size, slide them in and tack them on with the welder if I don't like it. So anyway, I drilled them out, used a punch to mark them all out first, then drilled them with a small drill and worked my way up. Now the size I went to was 13mm drill bits, and they're really easy drilled. You can see all the filings on the ground, but they're very, very easy to drill. Now, was it worth it? Well, I went up to the shops and I was quite impressed with the sound. A good bit louder, but a more deeper throaty sound. And I'll just let you see, you'll never get a good idea in video, but I'll let you see what it's like. If you just hang on 1 second till I start her. I'll start her up, see what she sounds like. Just 1 second. Now listen to that. I don't suppose you'll hear it that great in video. Much better. Quite happy with that.